Hello, for today's Take and Make, we'll be transferring photos to Canvas. Each kit will come with a 5x7-inch canvas and Mod Podge. You'll need a photocopy of a picture, scissors, water, and a sponge. First, we're going to cut out our picture. Next, apply the photo transfer medium directly onto the printout of your image. You want to apply a fairly thick layer of Mod Podge until you can't see the image anymore. Then, line the image up with your canvas and press down firmly. Use your fingers to smooth out any air bubbles. Let the canvas dry for 24 hours. After 24 hours, take a damp sponge and start rubbing away the paper. Gently rub the paper away from your canvas with the sponge until the image is revealed. As the canvas dries, the residual paper will turn white, so repeat this process with the sponge until it dries completely clear. This method works on other surfaces as well. Try it on wood, metal, glass, or even fabric. And that is your completed project. Enjoy!